This is the Americolor Sky Blue food coloring, and I have been testing food colorings out today and doing these little charts, and I'm really impressed with the Americolor food colorings because they're so saturated. This is 1/4 cup of icing, and I put 1 drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops into 1/4 cup, so it's not a lot. And you could definitely get a lighter color if you wanted to put, like 1 drop into a large amount of icing. But this is a real, you're not going to have to use a lot to get a good saturated sky blue color. And then if you want to make it darker, just add more. But this, I would say that this is probably the color that you'd be going for. And this is the lightest, this is like the smallest amount that I put in. So I'm like I said, I'm really impressed with the saturation levels of some of these food colorings. You don't need a lot to get a good result. A little goes a long way, however you want to say it. And this is just, it's a very pretty blue. It's a pretty blue. It'd be good for a baby shower. It'd be good for a boy's birthday, whatever you want to use it for. And it's just a really nice color.